Yo, it's Gucci everybody on YouTube. Thank you guys for tuning in back to another video on this channel, and this video is just going to be a random unboxing for you guys. I have a couple of random pickups to show you guys, and why not share it for the YouTube family. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Sit back, relax, and let's get Before we start off this video, you guys, I just wanted to ask you guys, if you guys aren't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. It does mean the world to me when I get new viewers, new subscribers, new comments, all that good stuff. So subscribe, and then also hit that like button and drop a comment down below. Maybe get this video up to 35 likes and 5 comments. I say 5 because I know my unboxing videos don't get a lot of views, but hopefully you guys are viewing this and enjoying the content that I've been posting out lately. So yeah, let's just get into it. So with the 2 Nike pickups, my girlfriend and I ordered some random stuff from Nike just because she is losing her employee discount. She put her 2 weeks in, so we went ahead and ordered the last bit of stuff we might need, I guess you can say. But I picked up 2 pairs of shorts. There's a bag for them. They retailed for $60, and I got both of these in a size medium. But these are the above the knee length. I didn't even know it said that. Standard fit, above the knee. These are the French Terry shorts, the French Terry swoosh shorts. If you guys are interested, I'll link these down below. Like I said, retail was $60, but I believe we paid like $22 or something like that because Nike had like a 25% off plus the employee discount, so that low-key came in really clutch. Shout out to my girlfriend for that. But yeah, so the French Terry double swoosh shorts. You have another swoosh right here as well. I actually really liked how these look, and then it also does say a standard above the knee on the tag. I got them in black. They also have the little print right here, kind of off-white vibes. And then I also got them in gray. I like the black pair a lot. The gray pair I'll probably wear less, but I actually really liked how I got both. They came out really clean. So yeah, shout out to the girlfriend for these pickups. So in this bag, I picked up something from TheHoopery. I've never really shopped with them. This is my first time ordering from them, but I did see something that they dropped that I actually really liked, and I've been waiting about a month and a half for this pickup because it was on pre-order. If you guys have heard of them, you guys probably know what I picked up, but let's just unbag it. It's the nice washed hoodie, as you guys can see. So I just pulled the piece out of the bag, but before we get into it and show you guys what I picked up, I just wanted to let you guys know where I got it from. I got it from this brand called TheHoopery, and they're from California. Last month or a month and a half ago, they were doing a pre-order on this, and it was in honor of Kobe Bryant and his daughter, and for those who passed away in the helicopter crash. It's called the Legends Never Die collection, and all the proceeds were donated to the Mamba on 3 Foundation. And if you guys don't know about that, I'm sure you guys do if you guys follow what's going on and everything like that. So RIP to the GOAT, RIP to his daughter, and RIP to the people who were involved in that helicopter crash. It's honestly very sad, but I'm glad I was able to cop this piece, and all the proceeds were able to go to the Mamba on 3 Foundation. But yeah, so let's just get into it. Sorry you guys. The whole collection, I'll pop up the collection right here. Out of the whole collection, I went ahead and copped the washed version of the hoodie. This also came out in black, but I wanted to get the washed version just because I thought it came out a little cleaner, and it did. I'm actually super excited to have this in hand. But up front you have the 8 pointed to the side for an infinity sign, and then you have the 24 on the sleeve. I actually just noticed that my sleeve kind of had like a little screen print error on it. You have like a little smudge right here, but whatever the case is, it just gives it character, I guess. I'm not too mad about that. And then on the other sleeve you have a 2 in represent of Gigi, his daughter. So honestly, super clean, and shout out to TheHoopery for what they did on this. Really clean piece. I actually really like this hoodie a lot. So if you guys are interested, I'll link it down below and I'll put it up here, but I'm not too sure if they're doing the pre-order anymore. But I'm just here to show you guys that I got mine in the mail, and I'm actually really excited about it, even though it's super hot outside and I probably can't wear this for a while. But this is a piece that I'll forever have with me and never get rid of. Shout out to Kobe Bryant for always being inspiration in my life. So in the beginning of this video, I actually forgot to let you guys know how much I got this for, and this was like the main part of the video. This is what I'm gonna make the title and thumbnail, because your boy got this like for a crazy steal. I might put the price on the thumbnail, I'm not too sure, but I got this for a crazy steal, and this is going to be up on bflakessupply. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this shoe in here, please go ahead and check out the web store. Let's just go ahead and unbox it for you guys. So with the shoe in here, I got this from a local store in Las Vegas, and they randomly threw this steal up, and I actually thought it was crazy how much they threw them up for. I paid $35 shipped for this shoe, which is kind of crazy, and I don't get it. I honestly don't get why it was up for so cheap. Hopefully the condition is good, and if they are, like I said, these are going up on the web store regardless. But yeah, so here you guys go. They have the Bring It Back logo. You guys can't really see it, but it has the Louis print on it, which is really cool. I have the white version on my laptop. Shout out to Bring It Back Las Vegas. But yeah, so they threw in 2 stickers. I'll be giving this one away, whoever purchases this shoe. They gave 2 stickers, and then you guys can see the box. It is an Ultra Boost box. This is crazy. So here it is in all of its glory, the crazy steal, the steal of the year. I feel like, maybe, I'm not too sure. This is probably the best pickup I've had yet, just as far as pricing goes and finding a steal online. But here it is, the Ultra Boost Undefeated, size 9.5. And if you guys are interested in what pair it is the original black and white pair, or the white and black pair. But here it is, super clean. I can't believe I paid that much for them, which is honestly insane for me. But they had these up for $220, size 9.5, 2018 with box. As you guys can see their tag. If you guys want to go ahead and follow them, it is Bring It Back. I'll just have that shown right there. So there you guys go. Yeah, this is crazy. I got these for $35, which is crazy because it was $35 shipped. Let me know what you guys feel about that pricing, because it's honestly just mind-blowing to me. These are super clean as far as the condition. Like, you guys can see it's still white. There's no like tears or anything. You have Undefeated written on it with the Ultra Boost laces, and then clean bottom, no like crazy heel drag. You just have to clean the bottom. And then you have the heel, there's like no heel marks really. Honestly, super crazy find, super crazy deal. Shout out to Bring It Back Las Vegas for this, because I can't believe that they threw these up for that cheap. But like I said, this will be up on my web store if you guys are interested in buying it. Hopefully someone cops it before I post this video. So yeah, there you guys go. Undefeated Ultra Boost, crazy find online. Shout out to Bring It Back. So before I sign off, you guys, I just wanted to thank you guys for all the B-Flake Supply orders you guys have been putting in. And then also my girlfriend and I are kind of really bored at home, so we've been tie-dyeing some socks, and then we're gonna go put them up for sale. So if you guys are interested in that, your boy like tie-dyes random socks now. I messed up on this pair just because the yellow is all bleached in, and the white looks good. I like how this part looks without the yellow. But this pair was a major F up because this didn't come out white at all, it just came out straight yellow. I tried to make a Laker colorway. Yeah, so if you're interested in buying some tie-dye socks, go ahead and check out both of my Instagrams. I'll put both of them up on the screen right here. You guys can DM me on my personal page or my selling page. It does mean a lot to me when you guys DM me, give me some feedback and stuff like that. So go ahead and check that out, you guys. Hit up all the links down below. You guys can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys for all the love lately. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys have a good one. Stay safe out there. Peace. Alright, you guys know the drill. The video doesn't end until I put this little clip in the end of the video, just to give you guys a little personal clip from me to you guys. If you guys are watching to the end of this video, I do appreciate you guys so much. If you guys are watching right now, go ahead and comment riff down below so I know you guys finished off the video. Let me know what you guys think about the pickups, and then also let me know what you guys think about this crazy steal that I found. Last but not least, I do want to thank you guys for all the love you guys have shown on the web store. Your boy has to ship out these orders right here. A lot of orders to go out, so thank you guys. Last but not least, go ahead and check out the socks. Maybe if you guys want to order any, leave a comment down below or something like that. This pair I did fuck up on, so yeah, if you guys are interested in tie-dye socks, let me know. I'll be making better pairs out there. And yeah, it's your boy signing off. Like I said, comment riff. I do appreciate you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.